All right, you ready?
40 jumping jacks. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Do your exercise. Stop playing around.
Yes. Everybody, take a little breather.
Hey, pump it out. Pump it out.
Everybody, high knees. Okay, I'm just kidding.
40?
In 3,
Wow.
2, 1, go.
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40.
He doesn't, whatever. Moving along.
Squat.
All on.
Just take a little breath. Ah, my legs. My arms. Oh. Hello.
Just about everybody I seen this morning when I was out walking had gloves on. Not just gloves. Them big bulky gloves.
Like work gloves?
No, like keeping your hands warm gloves.
I gotta find one more pair for the fishing gloves. Everybody, to your laps.
To your laps.
Mats.
Oh, maps.
Mats.
Mats. Oh, okay. Got it.
40 squats. 3,
Are you going to count?
2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's the end of the first round.
Oh.
Now I gotta do all those things
can I share something with y'all while we're in a break? That I do because a lot of times I get overwhelmed thinking about all of the stuff that needs to be done, stuff that needs to be paid. So when I have those moments, if I can, I like to close my eyes and just tell myself what to focus on. Right now, I'm saying, focus on family. Focus on togetherness.
Hendrix, your jacket's
Focus
inside out.
on the workout. Focus on gaining. Focus on positivity. And then that kind of takes all the other thoughts away. Especially when I close my eyes and I can not only say it, but I can think it kind of at the same time, if that makes sense. And it forces me to break away from the negative thoughts or the overbearing thoughts, because you know what I'm saying? You know, so.
I see what you're saying. Thank you.
What's next?
40 jumping jacks.
So we just doing all standing exercises today?
Yes. Okay, this is the last round.
It's a full cardio day.
Ooh.
40 jumping jacks. In
This
3,
is the last round.
2,
Do it.
1, go!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 40. No, I was in the zone, like. Ooh.
And Dad's 40. Mom was only 30. So we're doing that.
Oh my gosh, who's farting again?
We're doing good. Right now, it wasn't me. You're 40.
I'm 42.
It wasn't me. That thing you just
I'm
said.
43, who knows?
Mom, that thing just
44.
this time. Mom was
40.
when you said 40 you wanted, the number 1042 was on it.
What's the rest of
Everybody, high knees.
What you was saying, Hendrix?
This time it wasn't me farting. But that wasn't even a break. The break on the first.
Well, they said the
On
break
this
is over.
one. Nick just said it was me when it wasn't me.
Lennox didn't say that. That was Mama.
Yeah, they say I
Lennox
say
didn't.
Hendrix.
Lennox didn't say anything about you farting.
Mine was 38.
High knees.
Everybody,
High knees.
high knees.
Bless you, beautiful
3,
God.
2, 1, go.
What time are we on?
No. Go back to your mat. Hindrance.
Nice.
Go back to your
What are we doing next?
Squats. Squats start in 3,
What muscles?
2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Yeah.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37,
Woo!
38,
Woo!
39,
Woo!
40.
Woo!
And at the end, we do some stretches led by Hendrix.
Okay, come on, honey.
Would it be the ground ones? Yes.
Stretches, not exercises.
I would recommend you do some of these. Where are they?
Some of these lunges, side lunges,
They're side squats.
side lunges.
No.
That's what that is.
This would be a good workout.
I guess he's done.
It's done.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Bro tip.